Thank you for introduction. And yes, so I represent the team that works on computer vision algorithm development, and we are trying to create efficient and accurate networks. And today I'm going to talk about our new neural architecture that we call RMNet, and I will talk about how we applied it for solving one popular computer vision task. So during my talk, I will define the problem that we're trying to solve. Actually, this is person reidentification problem. And I will define quality metrics that allows us to evaluate quality of algorithm. I will briefly introduce common approach, how the person reidentification algorithm is solved. And for sure, I will talk about our approach, which components we have selected to effectively solve the problem. And I will cover basic principles of how we build our RMNet backbone. And I will describe training process in details. I will talk about loss function that we have selected, how much data we were able to collect, and how sampled from it. And I will compare our approach with state-of-the-art approaches at the moment of paper publication. By the way, there is a paper that is basis for these slides, and link to the paper will be seen on the very last slide of this presentation. And in the end, I will say a couple of words about other applications of RMNet.